Okay, and as a reminder, don't let the landscaping get up too much onto if you have a heat pump, because you want air to be able to circulate, and you're not able to have that air circulate. And this is the very beginning of June, and so this thing's just going to get crazier and crazier. The other thing I like is to go ahead and take it off the back of the house, and then that way air can circulate through the back of the heat pump, as well as it just keeps pests, mice, ants, any of those, spiders. It just keeps those things off the foundation of your house and from getting inside the house. So I do like to go ahead, and even on this side it's not as bad, but I do like to go ahead and trim it and get it off of the heat pump. Okay, the one other thing I'm going to do real quick is in between my coral bell, it's also kind of taken over. So if you look over here, I did cut it now, and ignore my pile there. Now when I step back though from the road, you're not even going to be able to really tell that I trimmed that up. Now if you're very close up, yeah, you can tell, but for now everything's going to get air. And then of course when you step back, and I only stepped 2 steps backwards, it'll look like that. So don't forget to trim those heat pumps up, and don't allow them to be overrun by your landscaping.